Please subscribe.
New for 2018. The 1.0-liter turbocharged i3 engine has been dropped and a rear-view camera is now standard on all models. All other features carry over. If the Fiesta returns to the US market for another generation, we can expect the subcompact to be similar to the redesigned European model that we reviewed. Trim levels. The subcompact Ford Fiesta sedan and hatchback are the automaker's smallest vehicles and sit below the compact Focus sedan and hatch, and the midsize Fusion and full-size Taurus sedans. 2018 Fiesta S. The Bass S trim comes equipped with a 6-speaker radio with an auxiliary input jack, a rear-view camera, hill start assist, halogen headlights, 6-way manual driver's seat, sync infotainment system, a tilt, telescoping steering wheel, and a tire pressure monitoring system. 2018 Fiesta SE. The SE trim adds interior ambient lighting, cruise control, power windows with driver one-touch up and down, 15-inch aluminum wheels, keyless entry, upgraded front cloth seats, and a shift knob with a chrome insert, on automatic transmission models. 2018 Fiesta Titanium. Building off the SE's features, the Titanium adds 16-inch aluminum wheels, power and heated side view mirrors, fog lights, Sync 3 with SiriusXM satellite radio and 2 USB ports, a 6.5-inch touchscreen center display, a Sony audio system with HD radio, leather-trimmed and heated front seats, automatic climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, push-button start, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and rear parking sensors. 2018 Fiesta Street. The performance-oriented ST adds a turbocharged 1.6-liter i4 engine, a 6-speed manual transmission, sports suspension, 17-inch Roto Gray aluminum wheels, performance summer tires and brakes, twin chrome-tipped exhaust, ST fog lights, a mesh grille insert, unique body color rocker panels, unique high-mounted rear spoiler, aluminum pedals, and ST badging. The Fiesta ST can be optioned with red brake calipers and the ST Recaro package that includes Recaro partial leather-trimmed seats, 6-way manual adjustable, heated front seats, and heated side view mirrors. Performance and fuel economy. The 2018 Ford Fiesta is powered by a 1.6-liter i4 that produces 120 horsepower and 112 pounds-to-foot of torque in all models except the Street. The 1.6-liter delivers an EPA-rated 27/35 of a mile per gallon city, highway with a standard 5-speed manual transmission and 27/37 of a mile per gallon with the optional 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. The high-performance Fiesta ST model is powered by a 1.6-liter turbo 4 that pumps out a healthy 197 horsepower and 202 pounds-to-foot of torque, is backed by a 6-speed manual, and delivers 26/33 of a mile per gallon. The Fiesta is available in sedan and hatchback body styles, and front-wheel drive is the only option. In our testing, the 2014 Fiesta ST hit 60 miles per hour in a quick 6.4 seconds and stopped from 60 miles per hour in an impressive 104 feet. Safety. In its testing, the 2018 Ford Fiesta sedan and hatchback received the second lowest score of marginal for the small overlap front crash test but received the highest score of good in 4 other crash tests. The front crash prevention test was not conducted because the Fiesta does not offer a collision warning or emergency automatic braking system. The 2018 Fiesta received a 4-star overall safety rating out of 5 stars from the NHTSA. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, Ford's personal safety system for front passengers with dual-stage airbags, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Utility, cargo space and interior room. Cargo space in the Fiesta sedan's trunk is 12.8 cubic feet and 14.9 cubic feet for the hatchback behind the rear seats, 10.1 cubic feet for the ST. That is less than the 2018 Kia Rio that offers 13.7 cubic feet in the sedan and 17.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats of the hatchback. Legroom in the sedan and Rio hatchback are the same, 43.6 inches for the front and 31.2 inches for the rear passengers. Technology. The 2018 Fiesta's list of standard tech features is short, and includes a 6-speaker radio with an audio input jack, a rear-view camera, and a sync infotainment system. Optional and standard on the Titanium trim is the Sync 3 system with SiriusXM satellite radio, a 6.5-inch touchscreen center display, 2 USB ports, and a Sony audio system with HD radio. A push-button start ignition and interior ambient lighting are also available. What we think. In a 2014 Ford Fiesta SE EcoBoost i3 first test review, we were very impressed with the fuel economy and the torque power band that the turbocharged 3-cylinder engine provides. This engine was discontinued for the 2018 model year. However, interior vibration, especially at idle and lower RPM, might bother some people. To our surprise, the little 3-cylinder is actually quicker than the 1.6-liter i4 that's standard on all non-ST 2018 Fiestas, and emits a unique but muffled growl. In a first test review of the 2014 Ford Fiesta Street, we were impressed with the lack of torque steer and understeer from the powerful front-wheel drive car. We did notice some turbo lag, but once the boost hits, the subcompact rockets away. Acceleration is quick and the short stopping distance of 104 feet from 60 miles per hour is impressive. The front seats have plenty of room, but the rear seats lack space and cargo room is limited, like many subcompacts. The Fiesta SE offers very fun handling dynamics and is quite the driver's car. The clutch is light but communicative, rev matching is easy, and the pedals are positioned favorably for heel-and-toe shifts. Though not completely connected to the road, steering is nicely responsive and communicative. In all, we continued, there's nothing here a driver won't enjoy. Having spent time in both the Focus ST and the Fiesta Street, it's a safe bet to say that those most interested in driving are going to prefer the Fiesta by a considerable margin. It's simply much more fun to drive.